In today's video, I actually take you with me to a bunch of thrift stores and I buy stuff. And on the surface, that doesn't sound very interesting, but it's what I do with this stuff that's pretty cool. I actually take it and sell it on eBay for hopefully a profit, and that's kind of what pays the bills.
Found this Goodwill receiver. They want $72.99 for it. The only one I could find is one's listed, and it was listed for 99 bucks, so not worth it. So here's something that I would normally just buy because it's only $4.75 and it's Harley Davidson. But I looked up Harley Davidson shirts with the metal buttons like this. There's over 200 listed and only 5 have sold. So I'm gonna leave it behind because I gotta stick to my new rules. Also, it does have some wear on the collar right there. So yeah, we're gonna leave it behind. I've been walking around the store for like 15 minutes now, and as you can probably guess, I haven't found anything. But luckily, this is one of the stores with a boutique next door. So hopefully I can grab something in there. All right, finally got a few things. Had to pay up because it came from the boutique. Actually spent $43.96 on 4 items. First up, got the North Face thermal ball vest. I did look it up, and looks like there's like 40 or 50 listed and 200 sold, so it should sell really quick, and it sells for like 40 or 50 bucks. This one's a size large. That's good. Excellent condition. Paid $9.99 for it. Not too bad. Also, Lululemon, brand new with tags. $88 shirt. It's the metal Ventec LS. It was $13.99. I think it's a men's shirt. Sell-through rate's not awesome, but it'll definitely sell, and it's an extra large, so that's a good size. And then I know I'm not supposed to be taking chances, but I did. There was evidence that these will sell. There was 4 listed, 5 had sold, all pre-owned, but they're these Bruce Brown Heritage Collection by Johnson Motors t-shirts. They're from the Endless Summer movie. Never heard of it, honestly. Did some research while I was there. They are brand new with tags, and like I said, all the ones that have sold were pre-owned, so $10 a piece. I think I can get $40 or $50 for them, so pretty good stock. So unfortunately, I didn't find anything at the Salvation Army, but I'm at a Goodwill now, and I just found something kind of interesting. It's this goat USA hoodie. Actually got my attention because my daughter is obsessed with goats, so I thought maybe I'd get it for her. Now, you guys know that when I pick something out for her, she usually doesn't like it.
I'm not a big fan.
So I decided to look up comps just in case, so maybe I could resell it. It's gonna be $5.75, and I looked up comps, and there's like 14 listed and 49 have sold when I looked up Goat USA hoodies. So that's pretty good. Not only that, it looks like they sell for around 30 bucks. So if she doesn't like it, it's definitely a win for me. $3.99. Oh wow, that's actually sealed. Yeah. All right, so spent $9.74 at that Goodwill. Got some sealed Legos. I can't tell you the last time I found sealed Legos, and for only $3.99, so that's not too bad. A little bit of a slow seller, but I still think I can get 30 bucks out of it pretty quick. And then the Goat USA hoodie, like I said, got it for my daughter, but with a sell-through rate like that, would you just go ahead and sell it, or should I actually let her see if she likes it? You know, my success rate on that's 0, so I'm probably gonna end up selling it anyway. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you would do. I'm probably gonna end up listing it pretty soon. There's got to be something wrong with this. I'm not seeing anything. No holes or anything. Got a hood on it. Never seen a chinchilla with a hood. Got to be worth $5.75. So apparently it's like a clothing day, but when you find stuff like this, it's not such a big deal because it looks like the Patagonia chinchillas with the hoods are selling for like 60, 70, 80 bucks. Couldn't find any with this specific pattern, so that may actually make it worth more. Seems to be in good condition. I'll probably get home and find a huge hole, but for $4.75, not bad. All right, another Goodwill, and this one also has a boutique like the first one I went to, so I'm definitely going to check it out since it did so good at the first one. Alright, so I found two things in the boutique, and I'm out in the regular store now, and I just found something else. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. It is clothing, and it's also one of my favorite things to find. I'll go over it when I get to the car. May have actually found a hard good to sell. $5.99 6-pack of 35mm Fujifilm, all around 200. It appears to be sealed. Definitely sealed there. Definitely sealed there. Hasn't been taped. Should have 6 rolls in it. Wholesale pack. Let's scan it with the eBay app. See what happens. Alright, so none listed. And one sold for $35.99. So we're gonna get that for $6. So I'm on the way to the next spot, and I remember that I didn't tell you guys what all I got at the last Goodwill. From the boutique, I got that Florida State starter pullover. It should do really well. Florida State's kind of hot right now. Paid, I think, it was $9.99. And it should sell for, I'm thinking, maybe 50 or 60 bucks. And hopefully pretty quick, too, because it's wintertime and Florida State's got a bowl game going on. Also took a chance on these Flamingo Crocs. There weren't really any sold comps, but there was some listed in the cheapest pair that I saw listed for like 105 bucks. They were brand new, $12.99. I'm thinking I can at least get 50 for them. I mean, it's definitely not the right time of the year because it's cold, but I think they're going to be worth picking up. I'm kind of breaking my rules because I don't have any data to go on, but I still think they're going to be worth it. They're not going to take up much space. And then I got in the regular Goodwill, you guys saw the 35mm film, should sell for around 30, hopefully pretty quick too. There's none listed. And I also got the mystery item, which is a Masters Tech black pullover. I love finding those things. They always sell super quick. Paid $4.75 for it, and I'm thinking it should sell for 40, 50, maybe even more. Definitely a good time of the year to find it. The Masters is in April, and that's coming up. People are going to start preparing pretty soon. So overall, pretty good haul. So it's been right at a week since I went on this thrift route, so I figured I'd update you since it's been so long. I actually sold a few things. Sold the Florida State pullover for $45 plus shipping. Sold the Masters Tech jacket. I actually only got $28 for it. It had some blemishes on it that I didn't notice when I was at the thrift store, so I'm still happy to get that. I only paid $5.75. And then I sold one of these Endless Summer t-shirts, which was kind of surprising. Put it up there for 65 bucks, and it sold in obviously less than a week, so that was pretty nice. Had a bunch of lowball offers, but I stuck it out, got full asking price. But the main update, as you can probably guess, is my daughter. She didn't like the goat hoodie. Go figure. So if you need a goat hoodie, definitely go check out my eBay store. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.